Reshaping the data. There are two ways to extract data from original imported STR report to your new workbook. Note that row 1 and 2 on column A, B, C, till column I are merged, so in order to get accurate result, we will copy column's name and add it respectively to each group as showed in these steps. The other way to create Marco using VBA. This will unpivot data and create new sheet called reshape data. Date, month or year. Day of week, sun, mon, Tuesday, etc. Metric type, occupancy, ADR, RevPAR. Group, Group 1, Group 2, and value. So now you have two different ways to extract data from STR report. Choose what suits you.